This is going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpio for the month of September, soulmate. So, what you guys can expect in the month of September? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, right now for many of you, we have Eight of Cups. So, you guys might be walking away, or you had to walk away because the situation got painful. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, many of you guys are moving towards a committed relationship. I do not know that you might have had choices, but right now you are choosing to walk away from someone you had feelings for towards a rather more committed relationship. So many of you guys could actually end up in a committed relationship, like a marriage, very soon. Not all of you, but some of you, those who are of the age and wanting to get married. Okay, what else is coming up for the sign of Scorpio? What else is coming up for the sign of Scorpio, please? Yeah, with a Magician, you are starting something new in your life. With Judgment, you have already made the decision, or you will make the decision of choosing a new path. Okay, something new, something better. Okay, the connection that you were a part of, or you couldn't succeed. Okay, many of you guys finally walked away, or are walking away, or finding the strength to walk away. Okay, so take what resonates. Give me a reading for sign of Scorpio. What can Scorpios possibly expect for the month of September? All that they need to know. Yeah, with Hierophant card, many of you guys are walking towards commitment. So many of you guys could actually be choosing a more rather strong, committed, long-term relationship over something that was not getting anywhere. Okay. In the past, I say you waiting for changes, but things did not happen. Finally, many of you guys might actually decide of getting into a strong, long-term commitment which moves towards marriage. Okay. Okay. So let's start. So what's the overall energy going to be like for Scorpio and their soulmate? What's the overall energy going to be like for Scorpio and their soulmate? For some of you, if it's not marriage, you guys are moving towards higher degrees, like educational degrees, or wanting to get more experience somewhere. Okay, you guys might finally decide basically upgrading yourself in whichever way possible. Okay, with Ace of Cups, many of you guys have this revival of your love life. Okay, so if you were single, I do not see you being single in the month of September. I see a new love coming in your life. Okay, overall with Temperance card, the past 2 months for you hasn't been very good, but right now I see very good energy. Many of you guys will move towards a new relationship. If it's not a new relationship, some of you guys might also reconnect. Few, like 40% of you might reconnect with your past, but overall I see you in being in a relationship. That's the bottom line. Okay, so how is your person coming towards you? Scorpio soulmate, what's their energy going to be like towards Scorpio? Scorpio soulmate, what's their energy going to be like towards Scorpio? Right now, for many of you, I see your person being very burdened. Okay, they have too much work going on. This person might be a workaholic. Okay, with Justice card, this person might be a Libra for some of you. With Ten of Wands, this person might also be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so any sign in like doesn't have to be these four signs, but for now I see a person being overloaded with work. They do not have much time for you. They are right now holding their life together. Things might not be very peaceful in their life. So let's see, how are they going to come towards you? How are they going to possibly come towards Scorpio for the month of September? How are they possibly come forward towards Scorpio for the month of September? With Nine of Cups, this person wants you. With Nine of Cups, I also feel like you are their wish fulfillment. You are their dream come true. Even if their life is not that good or not that balanced or peaceful right now, this person will want to choose you. Okay, so how do they view you now? How do they possibly view you as a soulmate? How do they possibly view you now? Scorpio soulmate. With King of Wands, they are extremely attracted towards you. They find you very very much physically good looking. They are also very passionate about you, like sexually. With Ace of Swords, this person will communicate with you very soon. Ace is a very fast moving card, so yes, I see communication coming in very fast. They think you're beautiful, you're good looking, passionate. Sexual intimacy is there. Okay, so yes. One more card is to what are they wanting to do about this situation? What are they wanting to do about the situation? Scorpio soulmate. What are they wanting to do about the situation in the month of September? With Three of Pentacles, they are basically wanting to partner up. Okay, so if you guys were in separation, or if you guys were single, nothing was happening in your life for the past 2 months, I see a person wanting to partner up. Okay, this is a very good reading so far. Okay, top card is the Moon card. So right now, this person might be staying away from you, but majorly I see them wanting to partner up and fix things with you. Okay, wanting to take things slowly but surely moving forward. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for Scorpio soulmates current feelings towards Scorpio. Scorpio soulmates current feelings towards Scorpio. With Knight of Cups, this person right now is thinking about you. They might also decide to come forward and express their feelings or emotions towards you. So very much in their feelings. Okay. Top card we have is Four of Wands. This person just does not want to offer you feelings, but also is thinking of marriage. Okay. And they think of you as a partner, as a life partner. Okay. So one card for how what are they willing to offer you now? What are they willing to offer you now? One card. What's the Scorpio so possibly wanting to offer Scorpio? What's the Scorpio so possibly wanting to offer Scorpio? Yeah, with Four of Wands, this person is slowly but surely moving towards marriage or something long term. If it's not marriage, I see them wanting to meet you, wanting to celebrate life with you, like wanting to go on an actual date with you. Okay, it's more like a celebration thing. Okay, with the Hierophant, at least 40% of you guys will be in a committed relationship within the next 2 months. Okay, so that's something I see for now. Okay, one card for what's going on in their life that they're not telling you about, what's happening in Scorpio soulmate's life that they're not telling you about, what is really happening in Scorpio soulmate's life currently, what's their current scenario that you do not know about. Right now with Three of Cups, in the past they could have taken things very slowly. They are trying to enjoy their life, they are trying to stay away and basically get balance back in their life. With the Justice and Three of Cups, I see them trying to balance their life. Okay, trying to find their mojo back, trying to find their peace, happiness back. Okay, many of them could be meeting friends and having a good time. I do not know if it's possible wherever they are, they stay like during this pandemic, but whatever it is. With Three of Cups, I see them trying to open up much more now. Okay, one card for where this connection is possibly going, where this connection is possibly going for Scorpio in the month of September. Where do we see this connection possibly going? So far this reading has been very good. Okay, I've been reading for a while now for Scorpios. I feel many of you guys right now feel ghosted or feel like your partner is not giving you attention. Okay, but with Temperance card, slowly but surely I see this moving forward. Okay, right now things are not good. We have Eight of Cups and Five of Pentacles, which tells me that many of you guys could be feeling rejected or feeling like your person doesn't give a fuck about you. I'll be very honest. You guys can take a straightforward shit, so I'll be very straightforward about it. With Eight of Cups, many of you guys might decide of walking away or are already walking away. You guys are feeling this separation or this phase where you feel nothing is going right in your life. Okay, so what's coming otherwise in Scorpio's life? What's happening otherwise in Scorpio's life? One card for what's coming towards Scorpio in the month of September. Yeah, your soulmate is returning. With Six of Cups, I see your soulmate returning. In the past, this person was trying to play mind games with you. They were basically putting a false mask, and I believe that they were not really giving in much. They were trying to stay away and basically watching you from a distance. Okay, top card is Five of Cups. Okay, so I feel like you miss your person. Okay, you terribly miss your person, and I feel for many of you, you can come back and let me know in the comment section later. Your soulmate is definitely returning. They have played their games, and right now they miss you, and so do you. Okay, you both miss each other. Okay, so yeah, what are they basically wanting from you now? What are they wanting from you? What's the Scorpio soulmate possibly wanting from Scorpio? What's the Scorpio soulmate possibly wanting from Scorpio? One card for that. your person wants you to make a decision. Maybe for some of you, not for all, you were confused between them and someone else. Okay, if it's not them and someone else, it could be between them and work. Your person wants you to decide and choose one thing. Okay, basically your person wants you to be very straightforward about it. If it's not you, they were juggling between you and someone else, so take it accordingly. This reading can go vice versa, so take it accordingly. Okay, but someone was juggling in this connection, and the other person wants to know if they have decided yet, and they want to know it in a very straightforward manner, to the point. Okay, with Knight of Swords, your person also wants you to approach them. Okay, basically given. Okay, so what do they think you are up to? What your person thinks you are up to for Scorpios? What Scorpio soulmate thinks Scorpio is up to currently? Sorry. They think you're basically moving towards commitment, or you're happy in your life wherever you are. Okay, they feel like you are not bothered about them, or you are slowly moving forward towards another relationship. Okay, with Three of Wands, they feel like you are not giving them attention, or you're not so focused on them. They feel like you're slowly moving forward towards a more committed relationship. Okay, so yes. One more card for what was the main blockage in this connection? What was the main blockage in this connection that was holding the two back? What was the main blockage in this connection? The blockage was things ended in the past. You like some of you walked away, and it could also be that financial things were not good. Like either you were not that stable, or they were not that stable, and for many of you this was a long distance relationship, so it could not work well. Okay, so one card for what advice do we need to give you currently that will help you get back together. One card of advice for Scorpios. With Three of Swords, if your person put you into a third party, darling, it's better you walk towards something better in life. Okay, but if it's not a third party, then you can take your person back. But if it's a third party, it's better you move on. Okay, so regarding that, let's take love messages from your person. Love messages from Scorpio soulmate. What does Scorpio soulmate want to say to Scorpio now? What does Scorpio soulmate want to say to Scorpio now? If this person broke your heart and they chose someone else, it's better you walk away. Okay, your person feels like they do not have much to offer. I really do not have much to offer, and they could be very insecure about it. They could not be very confident about this. Okay, so for some of you, your person is not that financially sound. Okay, give one more card for what your Scorpio wants to say to Scorpio now. What the Scorpio wants to say to Scorpio. I regret not expressing my true feelings. Okay, so one of you, if it's not you, it's them. You basically regret not offering or not expressing your true feelings. Okay, one last card. Yes, I admit I can't express my feelings. I regret not expressing my feelings, my true feelings. I really do not have much to offer. Okay, so this could have been a problem in the past. Top card we have is, yes, you are the lover I seek. Okay, so one of you is not financially sound. Okay, it could also be that one of you is closed off. It could be you or them, and you cannot open up about your feelings. You find it difficult. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for sign of Scorpio. If it resonated, please consider hitting the like button, because it greatly helps my channel. You guys have been always good to me. So I hope you like the video. If it resonates, if it doesn't, I don't deserve it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I have a Instagram channel coming up, Scorpio Vibes Only. So please do follow that on Instagram for daily updates. Okay, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.